Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Verify HDR support and update drivers so the pipeline is reliable. Open display settings and enable HDR or HDR streaming toggle. This unlocks higher brightness and expanded color. Once done, choose the built-in HDR panel or an HDR-capable external monitor and confirm the connection standard, HDMI 2.0 or DisplayPort 1.4. Because bandwidth matters. Make sure power settings allow full performance and set your display to native resolution to avoid scaling. Now you'll configure and calibrate. Open your GPU control panel to confirm HDR mode and select the correct color space, preferring PQ or BT. 2020 if available. This affects luminance mapping and colors. Use a calibration tool or test video to adjust peak brightness and contrast so highlights don't clip and shadow detail remains. Once you see balanced highlights and natural midtones, lock the profile and save settings. Make sure apps support HDR playback and adjust per app brightness if content looks washed out. Finish by testing with HDR videos, games, and photos to confirm consistent results across apps. Enable per app HDR where available. If content appears too dim, disable adaptive brightness or dynamic range compression and retest. Once satisfied, lock power and display profiles. If you encounter flicker, color shifts, or missing HDR, try a different HDMI/DP cable or port, roll back or reinstall the driver, and check panel firmware. These fixes address common signal and driver mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.